Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 every 5 minutes in PayPal money. Now, before we get into this method, I need you to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this video. Now please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chance of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this website and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, family, I'm at the Google Play Store, and I put up this app called Cashy Play and Win Money. Now, they have a video you can look at, and it'll tell you everything about this app. Now, let me go ahead and show you the screenshots. So it says here, finish missions, playing games. So when your mission is complete, you'll get coins. Like, for example, here, 800 coins. And you can redeem those coins in for rewards like Amazon gift card or PayPal money. And you're going to be playing for free. And again, here are the payout methods. So Amazon gift card, PayPal, Google Play gift card, Apple gift card, and many others. Now let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more about this app. So Cashy is a completely free app which will top up your PayPal account, discover free games, accomplish missions, and win coins to exchange with gift cards. All you have to do is play, complete missions, and you will receive free money. The more you play, the more money you earn. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.4. That's excellent, guys. Anything over 4.0 is an excellent app. And I'm not going to read the reviews. You can come here and read them for yourself. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. So go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and look up Cashy Play and Win Money. Now, I have another app I want to show you. This app is even better than this one. So let me go to it right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the next app, and I'm at their website. The name of it is Poll. So get paid for taking surveys on your phone. So you're going to be making money taking surveys. And this is available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Now, take surveys, get rewards. So you're going to get paid to take surveys from companies all around the world. You can do it on your coffee break or whenever you have spare time. Cash out. Our payment threshold are low. That means that you can cash out pretty fast. Choose between instant PayPal payouts, gift cards, or one of our other payment methods. Or you can donate your cash to charity. And invite friends. If you enjoy the app, why not invite a friend to use it too? You can get a referral bonus and more. You can click right here for more on the referral bonus. And they have a video right here just show you how it works. And here are some testimonies right here. So this is what people are saying. So this person right here said, this app really pays. I will continue to do surveys as long as it allows me to, and I will recommend this app to many friends and family members. And let me read one more. So this person right here said they have already cashed out $25. So these people are very happy with this app, guys. They're cashing out on this app. Now let's look at the frequently asked questions. We already talked about how you will get paid. And let's talk about the type of surveys you're going to be doing. So the survey topics can range from automobiles to zebras. So you're going to have many different topics that you're going to do surveys on, guys. So now, how long are the surveys? So they say the survey length varies. It will let you know before you do the survey how much time it's going to take you to complete the survey. Okay, guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this app. To get started, just go ahead and go to attapole.com and download their app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. Okay, family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And please drop a comment below if you have any questions about these apps. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, one other thing I want to do before I end this video. Sometime I do shout outs. So today I'm going to go ahead and do a shout out. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Please keep sharing my videos. If you're sharing them, hitting that like button, help this channel to grow. Okay, guys, one other thing I want to mention. If you look under this video where it says AppGrind TV Shop, I have some merch on sale. And the proceeds from this merch is going back into this channel because I want to make this channel better, have better quality videos. So please, guys, if you can, buy some merch, represent AppGrind TV so you can get your grind on. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.